Hi friend, I am YouTuber Dr. Neem. Today I will talk about AI usage, best AI tools for video editing. Imagine creating stunning videos and without spending hours editing. AI-powered video editing tools are changing the game, making it easier than ever to create professional quality content with just a few clicks. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tools will save you time and effort. Welcome to Trend AI Today, where we explore the best AI tools to boost your creativity and productivity. Best AI tools for video editing. Video editing used to be a long, complicated process. But thanks to AI, you can now edit videos faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Here are some of the best AI-powered video editing tools that will help you create amazing content effortlessly. Number 1. Runway ML. Runway ML is a powerful AI tool that helps you edit videos without needing advanced skills. It offers automatic background removal, motion tracking, and even AI-powered video generation. You can change backgrounds, apply creative effects, and even generate entire videos using AI. It's perfect for YouTubers, marketers, and filmmakers who want quick, high-quality results. Number 2. Descript. Descript is not just a video editor, it's an AI-powered tool that can transcribe, edit, and dub videos effortlessly. With its text-based editing, you can edit videos by simply editing the text. It also offers AI voice cloning, which means you can generate voiceovers without recording your voice repeatedly. If you want to cut mistakes, add captions, or even create podcasts, Descript is a must-have tool. Number 3. Wondershare. Filmora. Filmora is an easy-to-use video editing software that now integrates AI features. It offers AI audio enhancement, auto-scene detection, and instant background removal. With just a few clicks, you can remove noise, improve audio quality, and even generate automatic captions for your videos. It's perfect for content creators who want professional edits with minimal effort. Number 4. Pictory AI. Pictory AI is a game changer for those who want to create social media videos, promotional content, or YouTube shorts quickly. Just upload a script, and Pictory will turn it into a professional-looking video with AI-generated visuals, text overlays, and music. It's perfect for businesses, marketers, and YouTubers who need quick and engaging videos. Number 5. Magisto. Magisto is an AI-powered video editor that can create stunning videos with minimal input. Just choose your video clips, select a style, and let AI do the rest. It adds transitions, effects, and music automatically. If you're short on time but still want high-quality videos, Magisto is a great option. Why use AI video editing tools? AI-powered video editing tools offer several advantages. White heavy checkmark. Time-saving. Edit videos in minutes instead of hours. White heavy checkmark. Easy to use. No need for advanced editing skills. White heavy checkmark. Professional quality. Get high-quality results with AI automation. White heavy checkmark. Creative possibilities. Experiment with AI-generated effects, animations, and backgrounds. AI video editing tools are transforming the way we create content. Whether you're a YouTuber, a business owner, or just someone who loves making videos, these tools can help you edit faster and smarter. Try them out and see how AI can take your video editing skills to the next level. For more AI-powered tools and tips, subscribe to Trend AI Today and stay ahead of the game.